Okay, so just I define here. If you want to pass your own exception message, अगर जो ई गेट मैसेज अगर इसको पास नहीं करना है तो आप यहाँ पर खुद का एक्सेप्शन भी डिफाइन कर सकते हो, लाइक एरर हैपेंस, error happens. So you can define in this way. You can pass your own custom message. Okay, if you don't want to print anything, so you can define your own message here. Okay, so that is the work of your try and get message method. Okay, and your throw keyword custom exception. Okay.
देन डॉट गेट मैसेज वाला वो एक्सेप्शन मतलब वो कंपलसरी नहीं है
No, compulsory नहीं है.
यू कैन यूज दिस वन
You can write your message also. Okay.
जैसे हम जनरली लिखते थे सी प्लस प्लस
The next part is assertion. Assertion ensure that the application is executed as expected. You can say it is a dry run phase, as you know this word in before 2 days, like vaccine dry run is happening. So dry run is what before implementing the vaccine to the human body. So they have to test it, how the process will happen. Okay, and एक होता है like before any elections in your area there is a flag march is happened by the police. So you are acquainted with this in the lockdown and shutdown. Flag march is happened. So 1 to 2 platoon of force is just rounding in your area with the guns. Okay, they just tested it. Okay, so how the things are going on. So before you are deliver your project, or before you are delivering your software to anybody, first you have to test it whether it is correctly working or not. For that you have to take some kind of sample value and you have to check whether it is correctly working or not. So here what are the sample value we have to take? We consider as it is a some positive value. Some positive value you have to take. Okay, don't give the negative value which is not giving the output. जैसे क्या होता है अगर आपको एक कंडीशन लिखे हो विच नंबर इज ग्रेटर इफ ए ग्रेटर देन बी देन ए इज लार्जर देन द बी. तो यहाँ पर आपको इनपुट ऐसा ही लेना है जो एक बड़ा होगा और एक छोटा होगा. तो यू डोंट हैव टू टेक द इनपुट लाइक टू इक्वल वैल्यू. यहाँ पर आप दो इक्वल वैल्यू नहीं ले सकते हो. इफ यू आर टेकिंग दिस टू इक्वल वैल्यू then you are not defining any logic for it for checking whether the two number is equal or not. Okay, we only define if a greater than b then a is a larger, b is a smaller. So for testing that logic, वो लॉजिक टेस्टिंग करने के लिए आपको ऐसा ही वैल्यू लेना पड़ेगा जो कि बड़ा होगा और एक छोटा होगा. So that is a actual working procedure of what your you can say of the dry run or assertion. The assertion is a way where you have to take a sample value and check whether your programming logic is correct or not. Now if you take this example here, to implementing the assertion you have to use the internal invariant, control flow invariant, post condition and class invariant. So you have to take some kind of internal invariant, internal variable. Okay, some kind of internal value you have to take and check it. Control flow invariant, you have to check the conditions and post condition and class invariant. For implementing the assertion, assert keyword is used. Assert is a keyword which will contain some kind of precondition to check for your logic is correct or not. This assertion is disabled by default. प्रोग्राम में by default ये disable होता है. To make it enable, इसको enable करने के लिए हम यूज करेंगे Java enable assertion. Java enable assertion, then your class name, or you have to pass Java EMI program. Either you have to define Java enable assertion my program or Java EMI program. Okay, so it is a two-way to implementing the assertion on your program. Okay, any doubt? So exception is over. Tomorrow I will go for the practical of this exception handling, how really you have to implement or what is the programs are there. Then after that I will move to the generic classes, generic class and generic method. Okay, so the real implementation of your class and object concept, how you have to represent your value through the class and through the object. So that we have to discuss, is very interesting one, generic. Then next part we have moved to the collection class, then string operation. So these are the line of classes are there. Okay. So thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.